What is up, my crypto legends? Let me know in the comment section if you can see me, if you can hear me. We're going to take a look at Polkadot first, guys. Let me know in the comment section as soon as you can hear me. Okay, let me just go through the comments. I'm getting quite a few comments already here. I need a confirmation down below to see if you can hear me, if you can see me, and I'll be going straight away into the Polkadot first. I got someone on the Telegram group asking me for Polkadot, so let's take a look at Polkadot first, guys. If you're not yet in the Telegram group, we've got an alerts channel. You'll be getting posted with different news, technical analysis, and my videos, and we also got a community Telegram group down below. Okay, so make sure to check that out. It is down in the description. Let's take a look at Polkadot first. Okay, first of all, hello everyone. I'll go through the comment section straight away, but let's take a look at Polkadot because I've got someone asking me for this. Now, it does look like that Polkadot is gearing up, okay, for another major leg up. All right. Now, remember, Bitcoin and Ethereum are at critical levels right now. We do not know how far we can pump. If we are at this point that we are just on the verge of having a massive drop, 10%, 15%. Okay, we've seen it before. We're just getting a little bit overextended, so be very cautious with trading. So let's take a look at Polkadot, and here we did detect this descending broadening wedge. All right, on Polkadot, it is better on the 1 hourly. This perfectly broke out the resistance, and as you can see, it perfectly met the target, and we even went higher. We broke critical resistance, which is at the $28 here for Polkadot, which is right over here, as you can see. Okay, we have critical resistance and support, and we did hit the $31. I was saying, guys, as soon as we're gonna hit $31, it is time to be pretty bullish. All right, you could anticipate that we are going to come to these levels. All right, I did anticipate on some trades, but just to show you that this potentially could be a massive, huge cup and handle. Also, we had the handle, we broke the resistance, and now we are breaking the resistance of $28, $29. So this maybe means that Polkadot is going to be hitting the $40, $45 in the next coming weeks, okay, or potentially days, or depending on Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. Let's see how they're going to move, because anyway, we've seen Solana, we've seen ADA breaking all-time highs consistently. DOT is just lagging behind. I do believe so that DOT will have its moment, but we just do not know when, if it's going to be in the next coming days or in the next coming weeks. But it does look like very much so it is getting ready for that potential move to the upside. So this is what I got for DOT. If we take a look at the 1 hourly, zoom in a little bit, this is absolutely fine. We're just having a long side consolidation here after this massive pump that we've had with some decent amount of volume. So maybe a retracement down to the $28 levels is very possible, and then getting a massive bounce from there, in my opinion. Just wait for it to consolidate, and I think a major leg up is very possible for Polkadot. Let's take a look also at I'm already getting a lot of cryptos here requested. Hi Andy, eager to your live event. Can you please look at ICP, says DTN. Yes, of course. Let's take a look at ICP straight away for you, my man. What's happened to ICP? Last thing, a long time since we haven't checked out ICP over here. We did have the breakout of this descending wedge. There was a fake out here to the downside, but we do have a nice clear support right over here, which is around about the $55 range approximately, as you can see there. Here, so yeah, you can clearly see that we did have a fake out to the downside, then successfully broke to the upside. We did meet the target of this descending wedge, which is right over here, but it just took a lot of time, a lot of strength here for ICP. We got a double bounce right over there, and now it looks like that we're just consolidating sideways. We didn't manage to successfully break this major resistance, which is at the $77. I think if we do manage to break the $77, then it will be looking pretty bullish. We do have another resistance zone right over here. Let's just zoom in out right here on the ICP price. We did have several bounces, as you can see, as support. This is at the $77. So this is where we got rejected 2 times, as you can see here on the chart. Only once, actually. Once there, we didn't manage to arrive here, but this is more or less the top of the wedge. This is when you want to get your positions out if you did enter a trade here. Okay, this was a very crazy trade. You might have been in a loss here for a little bit, and then potentially you know, or get your profits here after a few days. Now, what can we see for ICP? The good thing about ICP is that we did get a nice bounce here. We did create this trend line over here nicely, and we did get a bounce, so we are, you know, technically making higher lows. Now, I would be bearish here on ICP in the immediate short term if we do have a clear breakout from these lows. Okay, this is a possibility. If we do break the trend line and break here this support, which is at the $54, then it is time to potentially look for a quick short position. But till that moment, it is looking all right. Okay, we're just getting a little bit you know, a little bit bearish because we do have this second attempt, you know, not reaching, but, you know, technically still making higher lows, sorry. So yeah, we're okay for the moment. Let's take a look here at another different comment. Good day, Andy says restless. Take a look at VeChain. It has broken out from the symmetrical triangle. Let's take a look at VeChain. I did take a look at VeChain yesterday. We actually took a look at it and we posted it on the Twitter account. And yeah, it's making a fantastic move to the upside with some volume. So yeah, that would have been a great trade. Okay, as you can see, nice volume here to the upside now, almost pretty much so meeting the target, which is around about the 14-cent level. Okay, the top here from this kind of symmetrical or descending triangle. Okay, it's not that symmetrical, it's more of a, yeah, kind of symmetrical, kind of, yeah, or descending triangle. But as you can see, you know, guys, these, if you're not following us on Twitter already, we posted this yesterday. Okay, VeChain is getting ready for an explosive move. There is a higher probability of breaking to the upside. Okay, this was posted yesterday on the Bitcoin Census Twitter account. Okay, so yeah, you can just check it out here. We have a great move to the upside since we posted this. So this was very much anticipated on our Twitter account. Right, let's take a look at well, what we need to see here for VeChain is not only this move that's happened, which is great. I want to see a VeChain breaking the 15-cent level. As soon as we break 15 cent, I see VeChain hitting the 22 cent in a matter of a couple of weeks, because I do see this massive double bottom scenario right over there. Or we can either look at this as a cup and a handle, and we have broken out from the handle. Now, cup and handles, like I mentioned on my video, you know, it is, you want to see a cup and handle really at the top of a trend, okay? Something like this, with creating the handle and then breaking. It's the same as an inverse head and shoulder. You don't want to see an inverse head and shoulder at the top of a trend, because usually it is a trend reversal, but the cup and handle is a continuation pattern normally, but you can see them down the same as inverse head and shoulders. You can see them to the upside also. It doesn't mean it has to be at a bottom. Right, let's take a look at the comment section here. Average, hi Andy, can you please take a look at DGB and VeChain, please? I've taken a look at VeChain, so let's go straight away to DGB. Digibyte, I have about 4% of my portfolio on Digibyte, and what has happened here, we came all the way back, all the way up to the 0.077 cents, and came straight back down. So yeah, not looking good. We did actually break out from this wedge, descending wedge, and met the target right over there, as you can see here for the DGB price, and came straight back down. We are seeing some negative volume, so I don't know what's going on with this crypto. It does very much look like so that this is also look how perfect this round formation for Digibyte is on this major resistance. The resistance is at the 0.077 cents, approximately just below the 8 cents. We've touched it here a few times, one more time here. Now we did get the breakout here from this potential handle. We retested it, but came straight back down. Now, what I think is going to happen for DGB is that we will be coming back up and retesting and breaking, right? This is what I am hoping. The setup is there, guys. This is a bullish setup. Nice round bottom formation, so we should be arriving to those levels. Let me just go through the comment section here a minute to see if, you know, you can see it, you can hear me loud and clear. Okay, right, great. Because I may be talking and you maybe can't hear me. But confirmed by Mark Dutch. Thank you very much. And RDD, please, says average. What is RDD? I think the most bearish scenario here for DGB is coming down to the 5 cents. I think that is very improbable, okay, with this massive round kind of accumulation event, you know, going to the upside. There is a massive support here at 5 cents. Very unlikely we'll be hitting those levels, and if we do, I'm expecting a major bounce. I think we'll be consolidating sideways here till we finally have that major breakout from below the 88 cents levels. RDD says average. Let's take a look at RDD. Right. Let's try and get one crypto, guys, or two maximum per person, okay? Because, yeah, if you just come in and say, and give me 5 cryptos, it's not fair on the rest of the community. We all want to take a look at, you know, the different cryptos from everyone. Right, RDD, what is this cryptocurrency? I have no idea what is this. Redcoin, okay, Redcoin. Let's take a look at Redcoin. There's not too much, seems like there's not too much volume or yeah, here we go. Price data, sorry. Yeah, Redcoin, I think it's one of those cryptos that did have that hype in 2017, and it looks like it is dead. It looks like it's a dead coin. But anyway, let's just take a look here on the daily. Zoom out a little bit. You know, there are a lot of cryptos that have this situation where you see the massive run up of 2017, early 2018, and they haven't even gone halfway on this run. So yeah, I'm not sure if this coin will survive. You know, we are going to see a lot of coins that are just going to die off, guys. They're just going to go close to zero and have a flat life, okay? While the rest of other cryptos, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many other ones, you know, break the all-time high. Some of them are just not going to make it, being realistically. So remember, there are thousands of coins. I remember when I got into crypto, there was just over 1,000 cryptocurrency. Now there's, I think, 7,000 or 8,000 cryptos, or even more than that. Let's take a look on the 4 hourly. These are very choppy candles. Let's just take a look at this Redcoin, sorry, with USDT pair on Bittrex. And yeah, guys, it's not looking very, very good. Note that after having these lower lows, okay, and then this kind of higher low, we are currently just about breaking below this higher low. So this is not good news. There's no steam on this cryptocurrency. Not looking too good. Not looking too good. Now, if you wanted to become bullish on a Redcoin, I think we should be breaking at least, you know, this high over here. We do have a cluster of support there. We also have, you know, this first touch of resistance. So as soon as we break this resistance, it will start to look pretty okay for Redcoin, in my opinion. Right, let's take a look here at the different comments. Rick Sure, Konbawa Andy, mate, jumped out of Elliott Wave C leg on BTC and on FTM, KSM, and DOT in time for the pumps using the breakout flags I learnt off you. Thanks, man. You're very welcome, Rick. Dropped KSM and DOT, now link VET and Matic for a hopeful pump. VET already took off. Check out Link and Matic, please. Yeah, of course. Let's take a look at them. I've taken a look at Chainlink on my video today, and it's looking okay. This could still be a fake out. I think I'm pretty confident. I did anticipate a long position because I'm just seeing all of these cryptos popping. You know, we've got Sushi Swap, we got Uniswap. I think a lot of them are just lagging behind, and we are expecting this pump. I do see a descending wedge here. Now, I did anticipate this. I might get stopped out, okay? My stop is all the way down here. It is not one of the best trades, you know, especially risk management trades, but I'm pretty confident that this, you know, Chainlink has been such a bad performer against some other altcoins, but it will have its moment. It will have its moment, Chainlink. It is an absolutely insane cryptocurrency. So yeah, I think a major leg up here to the $30 is very possible in the next coming hours or a couple of days. And after that, yeah, I think $34, $35, which is the next major resistance, is just inevitable, I think, for Chainlink. You know, we might come down, up, back down and up again, but I think, you know, his destination is coming and retesting $35 in the next coming weeks. Okay, so this is what I've got for a Chainlink. But most bearish case scenario would be coming all the way back down, retesting the $24 range with a little bit of volatility. That would be the most bearish case scenario before we have that massive pump, in my opinion. Okay, now let's take a look at Matic. What is going on with Matic? Long time no see, Matic. Let's quick look at Matic. Well, the bad news about Matic is that we did break down from this uptrend resistance. Now, this is not looking too good. Now, we did have a great run up on Matic all the way here to the $1.70. We currently broke this uptrend support, as you can see. I wouldn't pay too much attention, like this is going to be a trend reversal at this moment. We could get a massive rejection here at this trend line and this support, which is currently at the $1.50, approximately $1.50, yeah, about this range. And yeah, and we might come to lower levels here for Matic. Now, if we do successfully break the $1.50 here, coming back into the trend and back up this major resistance, it is going to be looking okay for Matic. All right. I was wondering if this does look like a kind of head and shoulder pattern right over there. It does, but we are back up the resistance, as you can see. It was a kind of dodgy head and shoulder right over there. We broke down, no volume, so we back up. So yeah, I think don't have to become too bearish just yet here for Matic. We might, successfully come back up here of the trend line and continue to the upside. Most bearish case scenario for Matic, I think, would be coming down to the $1.20. There is a massive support range at this zone. So if we do come back down, I think some kind of bounce around this area is inevitable. I think, in my opinion, for Matic, the $1.20 is a massive range. SQT is starting to break out now. CQT US dollar. What is this? I have here on FTX. We just fizzled out from this kind of symmetrical triangle. It wasn't the most beautiful one, but it was just a fizzle out. It was more like of a consolidation. As you can see, we do talk about this, guys. If we get to the very end, to the apex, and we just fizzle out with no volume, you want to eliminate that trade because you do not have a clear direction. Basically, you're just fizzling out, okay? No volume, we do not have a clear direction. This trade is invalidated. You want to see a nice breakout from a direction with some volume, and then you could aim the potential, target. So this pattern is invalidated for now because we just went to the end of the apex with no volume. There's actually no volume coming in now, but could you arguably discuss that we are kind of breaking resistance from these lower highs right over here? Because this is the 4 hourly, and I'm not counting the wicks, I'm just counting the bodies of the candle, as you can see here. And we are technically breaking out from this cryptocurrency. Now, yeah, I wouldn't connect this to this. We were just making higher lows. This is not symmetrical. But yeah, I mean, the all-time highs here for this crypto is very much possible if we do start breaking the lower high structure. So what do I mean by the lower high structure? As soon as we break this, okay, this is what happens when we do break out from a pattern like this. You do have lower highs, right? You want to get above the last lower high to start to confirm the trend, okay? Now, a retest at the lower high, then this could easily still come back down. So this is what we're going to see for this cryptocurrency, getting above that last lower high here on the 4 hourly, which is currently at $1.42, and we just retested it with a wick, as you can see. Now, afternoon all, says Mark Dutch. Hello, Mark Dutch, welcome. Also, FTM, please. It's my new best friend at the moment. Yeah, FTM is a great project. I was very undecisive with FTM and also with Fusion Protocol. Fusion Protocol was my bet, and I did, it's not doing that well at this moment. They are both incredible blockchain projects. I had to choose. I remember seeing Phantom at 2 cents. I had the moment. I had, several $1,000s to put into FSN or into Phantom. I chose FSN. FSN has been a very poor performer, but it is an incredible blockchain project, and it will do well eventually in the next coming months or years. I do not know, but it's got a very good blockchain. Phantom doing absolutely insane. You know, we have such a huge amount of volume here from this massive pump. So we haven't broken out all-time highs technically, but we've retested it 3 times now, as you can see, around about 3 times. So this was a fake out from the breakout of the all-time high. Now this is the 3rd attempt, as you can see here on the chart. As soon as we successfully break out here, going to the $1.05 approximately, then yeah, this is going to be looking very, very bullish. Price discovery on the way here for Phantom, but we could heavily get rejected here, come still back down. We did get one heavy rejected, came all the way down here to the 69 cents. So yeah, this could happen again, double top. Let's just wait and see. I mean, but by the looks of things, it's looking pretty bullish. I remember, look guys, look on Phantom, okay? Check out, this is what the only thing that I got on the chart. We have this major resistance over here, okay, that we had. And I remember on a lot of cryptos, I say, guys, the movement that there is in between 50 cent and 90 cent is just so fast that we haven't clearly got any resistance above us. Okay, we did have an attempt right over here, came straight back down, but look how we shoot up here straight away from the 50 cent levels all the way here to the 90 cents. This is because it has been super fast in the past, okay? Kind of pump and dumps, all right? There's money in, money out very quickly. So as soon as a lot of money comes in here, it will shoot back up again. So this is why, this is the theory of why it moves up and down when in the past it has moved fast in between those ranges. That means it's going to be very easy for that fast leg up. Anyway, this is what I got for Phantom. It's looking pretty good. As soon as we break all-time highs, price discovery, you could potentially get into some retracement here. This is the same as Cardano, the same as Solana. You know, you might see Phantom going to the $1.20, $1.30. You want to try and get into those swings, okay, as soon as we successfully break out and retrace. So this is what we got for Phantom, guys. Very interesting movements here for Phantom in the coming weeks. I can hear you. Andy just says, John, hello, John, Rick, Pedro, hello, Joseph. Hi, Andy. How are you doing today? Hello, everybody. Says Joseph. Hello. Right. Hi, bro. Please check STX. Thanks. Says Costco. Let's take a look at STX. STX US dollar. Okay, what have we got here? What have we got here for this crypto? This is Stacks. Yeah, I haven't done any analysis on this actually, but it's pretty straightforward. We're just about getting into this range of resistance. This very much looks like it wants to have a breakout finally to the upside. We're just making higher lows consistently, you know, consolidating here. It's not an ascending wedge, I would say. It could be, but yeah, we don't have several touches here on the support line. Yeah, no, I would say it's just looking ready to have a nice leg to the upside. There is a major resistance zone that we need to break out successfully, which is $1.60. It's $1.50 approximately around this area, but we're just having a lot of fake out points now. As soon as we successfully break out, any type of retracement, in my opinion, is good. You know, we're going to look for this potential bottom to be a support to get into some trades. This is looking okay. We still haven't gotten out of the woods yet. We are just about, because we created, you know, we got this high over here, this lower high, we're just about getting above this lower high. So I mean, Stacks is looking okay. It's looking that it wants to pop to the upside. Right guys, I'm going to go pretty quick here because it's going pretty insane here, the comment section. Guys, 136 watching. Make sure to smash up the like button, guys, please, for the algorithm. Let's try and grow this community. Get your cup of coffee and let's take a look at some cryptos. Right, let's go, says Japal. Hello, hi bro, please check STX. Yes, I've taken a look at that one. Press like if you think the TA is educational. Joseph, thank you very much for the support. ETH. ETH is forming a kind of an ascending wedge, okay? We haven't taken a look at Bitcoin or Ethereum. The most important, guys, cryptos that we need to take a look at is Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, let's take a look at Ethereum. I just want to take your look at your favorite cryptos. Watch out here. No bearish divergence on RSI just yet. It's looking pretty good. It's looking strong. We might have a massive overbought, leg here to the upside on the RSI. Who knows? It's just looking too bullish for this to break down. But yeah, we are kind of, getting to the very end of this ascending wedge. If we break down, it is very, very likely we might come back down and retest the $3,400 range, okay? 3,400 or even 3,300, okay? So stay cautious on this. This has been a successful breakout. If we do come back down here, I'm expecting this range to hold nicely. Look how long we've taken to break this resistance, guys. I think we do not need to get scared here. We need to get a little bit aggressive. And if we do have that leg down, then I think, yeah, potential long opportunity would be very good here for Ethereum, guys. I have some trades here also on Bybit. I did place a couple of trades. I did got into one here on Chainlink because of that major breakout. Okay, Chainlink trade is doing pretty good. I've talked about it in today's episode. And yeah, guys, Bybit has got one of the best bonuses down below. It's $1,610, but all of these cryptos can be traded on Phemex also, and Phemex has got a better bonus at this moment, okay, for the community. $2,500 worth of bonus, not 2,000, it is 2,500, okay. Obviously you need to deposit some Bitcoin, okay, to get that amount of bonus. But anyway, guys, all depending on what you deposit, you'll be getting the best bonus available, okay? As you can see here, if you deposit 0.1 BTC, you're getting $100. Or depending on what you deposit, you can get all up this amount of bonus, okay? So make sure to take advantage of that. Right, let's take a look at the different cryptos here. Let's take a look at Cardano here for OFW. Right, what is Cardano doing? Because Cardano didn't manage to break the $3 range, but it is looking pretty good. It's not looking too bad. Right, Cardano. What is going on here for Cardano? Yeah, it's same here. As you can see, we did form a kind of an apex there. We'd had a leg up. We did form a kind of descending pennant, or you could say it's a descending wedge or a pennant from this massive leg up. There was nice volume from the leg up over here. The volume was going down here inside of this pennant, but what happened, we technically didn't have any clear breakout with volume here. So we had a fake out right over there, fake out over here, and we're just going sideways. So if you were in a trade here, you have time when this happens. You do have time to get out of that trade with a break even, okay? You want to see a breakout before getting at the very end of the apex with some volume, okay? This confirms the movement. Now, if you get to the very end, like I was mentioned before, it just fizzles out. You need to get out because you do not know where the price is going to go. So yeah, let's take that out of the way because that just went sideways, and we're just having a long sideways consolidation here for Cardano. Yeah, nothing. I mean, yeah, this is what can we expect. There's no pattern here. There's just a lot of volatility. This is not a bull flag. It's too long. It's too overextended for this to be a bull flag. Maybe we do not know the direction. Now, if we do come back down here to retest this major support level, I think this is not going to be looking too good for Cardano. We might be forming a double top scenario right over there, and if we do come back down to the support and break down, then yes, I think a major leg down will be very, very possible here for Cardano. The measured move here would be getting the resistance and the support from the breakout $2.10, $2.20 approximately. I mean, we would have to see a lot of volume, a lot of downside pressure. I don't think this is going to happen. You know the deal, a lot of good news for Cardano in September, so I think people might anticipate the event that's coming, smart contracts, and I think people are going to buy the price up, and we're going to finally be breaking $3. Okay, we want to see a nice breakout with some volume, then we could potentially take advantage of any type of retracement, just like we did right over here, guys. It is the absolutely same thing every single time. You just rinse and repeat. Look how we broke here the resistance of the all-time high, and then we had a resistance there. We broke successfully here with some decent amount of volume. Guess what? We came all the way back down, retested the resistance as support, and then we had a nice leg up to retest the resistance again. This is when you want to get out of your trades. You're in and you're out. I know it looks very, very simple once it's done, but here you enter, all depending on what leverage you're using. I know, guys, it is not easy, especially if you're new into crypto or into trading, okay? Make sure to not risk more than you're willing to lose. Just practice trade a lot if you are new to the space. Right, so yeah, this is what we got for Cardano. I do not know what is it going to do, if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down. But if it does go up, I'm going to try and get into any type of retracement. If we come down, then maybe we're going to get a massive bounce from here. But if we break it, it will be a massive resistance zone where we could potentially take advantage and short the market. Let's take a look. John says, yo Andy, looking good again. Would please take a look at VET and BCH. I've taken a look at VeChain. It was one of the first cryptos. Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash, because Bitcoin Cash hasn't been performing too well. I have Bitcoin Cash in my portfolio. Yeah, I think it must be about 3 or 4% or something like that. And it's just not moving. I mean, Bitcoin Cash's technology is absolutely insane. If I have Carl from the Moon or somebody watching this live stream and me talking about Bitcoin Cash, that it is better than Bitcoin, he is gonna absolutely throw a stone at me if he could. But yeah, Bitcoin Cash is much faster. It's much cheaper than Bitcoin. It is more as a cash system, okay? Bitcoin is too slow to be used as cash. That's why Bitcoin Cash, the fork from Bitcoin, was created. It is absolutely insanely fast. It is much cheaper. People are spending $10, $15, $20, $30 to transfer Bitcoin from one wallet to another. I don't see many people transferring Bitcoin for $1 at this moment, or even $5. Bitcoin Cash is just 1 cent or 2 cents to transfer whatever, $5,000 worth of Bitcoin Cash. It is secure also. It is super fast. I think Bitcoin Cash will have its moment eventually, like it did over here. We're going all the way up to the $1,600 range. Now, let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash here on the technical side. We're just about holding this major. Let me just get this all the way back here to see if this has been a major resistance and support level. Yeah, we can clearly see that this zone, you know, being just above the $600, has been a major support and resistance zone for Bitcoin Cash. We have several touches. Here we came up, back down, several touches as resistance and support. So we're just barely, holding by a thread from this range. We do have bounces as support, resistance, as you can see on the chart. So yeah, we're just getting several bounces here. It's not the best looking movements that I've seen. But is this going to be a kind of a channel or a descending brawling wedge? Maybe this could be a descending brawling wedge actually. So yeah, expect a decent leg up. Okay, the most bearish case scenario for Bitcoin Cash, I think, would be coming back down to the $550 range. This might be also the resistance, okay, the support, sorry, of this descending brawling channel. So I think, yeah, this should be holding super good for Bitcoin Cash, 550. I might be placing some longs, anticipating a bounce from here. I don't see Bitcoin Cash going below the $400. It's just very unlikely in my opinion. Now, if we do break resistance, I think a major leg up, breaking major resistance points is very, very likely here for Bitcoin Cash. As you can see, we would be breaking the $720 range right over here if we did manage to have that leg up, retesting the next major resistance at almost $800. This is what I see the most. You know, if we do break out successfully with volume, I think a next major leg up going just below $1,800 is very, very possible here for Bitcoin Cash. Right, let's take a look. ETC, Nano Andy, the living god of TA. Thank you, Death Killer. Let's take a look at ETC. ETC has been lagging. I think I have a trade open on ETC actually. Yeah, I should. I usually don't have too many trades open, but I've just been a little bit too bullish on a lot of cryptos now. They're all forming this kind of movement. I mean, we are expecting a lot of cryptos having that major leg up. ETC has broken out from this descending wedge, okay? It is a descending wedge. We've got lower lows and lower highs here, getting into this, you know, connecting the resistance and support. We're just about holding here. Now, we should be having a leg up at some point, at least meeting here the high around about the $73, $72 of this kind of descending wedge. Okay, guys, this would be the most likely scenario. Can this still come down? Yes, but I think, you know, the volume is on our side here, at least on the 4-hourly chart. We can clearly see that, you know, we have nice volume from the leg up. We have the retracement with hardly any volume. Now we're starting to see some volume here. I think this is just gearing up for a leg up on the ETC price. 100% sure, eventually not. I am never 100% sure. I'm usually 70% sure or 80%, all depending on what the chart is telling me. Now, we do have a heavy support range here, around about the $60. I was saying to you guys, $60 range should be holding very nicely since we saw this double bottom scenario. And yet, we've just been bouncing by a thread around this range. So I think this will eventually hold and finally have that leg up. Now, if you take a look at VeChain, okay, this is what had been happening for VeChain, just holding by a thread from this support range, as you can see here on the chart. Look how we're bouncing so many times, saying, guys, I'm not sure this should be holding nicely. Well, the same scenario, guys. Look, it finally had that leg up. ETC is more or less about the same thing, okay? We're just holding by a thread until we have that leg up. It happened to VeChain here, so this is what the chart is telling me. It is telling me it's gearing up for the leg up, okay? Right, let's take a look at Nano. Let's take a look at Nano here for Death Killer. Let's take a look at Nano here quickly, guys. VeChain actually can be traded on Phemex if I'm, well, I'm not sure actually. Let's just take a look. Let's just take a look here on at Phemex and see if VeChain can be traded here, because they did add a bunch of cryptocurrencies. Well, no, VeChain cannot be traded on Phemex. They've added so much cryptos. The same with Bybit. Bybit has added a bunch of cryptocurrencies. I'm surprised that VeChain hasn't been added on Phemex or to Bybit actually. Let's take a look here. Because yeah, Bybit has added a bunch of cryptos. They've just added Theta Network. Okay, you can trade Theta now on Bybit. Tron also wasn't here. They've Compound also wasn't here. XLM, Stellar Lumens. They've added a bunch of cryptos, guys. Remember, you got the best bonus available down below for these exchanges, all right? So make sure to check them out. Phemex has got the best bonus at the moment, which is $2,500, up to $2,500, depending on what you deposit. I'm getting a small commission. You getting the best bonus, guys. It is a win-win. Be careful. This is for experienced traders because trading is extremely risky. Okay. Right. Let's take a look at the rest of the community. See what this says. Hi Andy, what about at KSM? Love this content. Thank you, Victoria. Right. Let's take a look. Giancarlo. Sorry, I'm looking at CQT already. Let's take a look at KSM. What's going on with KSM? Looking pretty bullish, I think. Well, good news. Yeah, KSM. What we talked about KSM here was a breakout from this resistance zone right over there, and this was already looking pretty bullish on KSM. We did say the most bearish case scenario, if I'm not wrong, would be coming back down here to about the $240, retesting this resistance into support. We also have this purple box here being a heavy resistance zone. It's also been a heavy support range, as you can see there. So it was a major level, the 240. We did not go all the way down here, so we had a massive leg up now. What can we expect here for KSM? Well, let me just extend this box over here, just because we have several touches as support right over here around this range. So it's very, very volatile crypto, also very volatile. Let me just zoom in here, and let's be pretty easy on this, pretty simple. Let's get the basics here of technical analysis, and I think getting into KSM here on a retracement is very good thing to do. Let's get the Fibonacci retracement level, okay? When I'm not too clear, I like to get some tools, simple tools, Fibonacci retracement, for example. Now, this is clearly the lower part here from this consolidation, right? So we've got a low part here from this pump. Now, we've got the low part, we've got the top here being this resistance. Now, we want to get the Fibonacci retracement from the low part to the top. And, you know, a good buying zone always for the Fibonacci retracement is the 62% level. So if we're just getting a rejection now here, just getting a bounce from the 38% range. Now, if we did manage to get that next leg down, this would be a great buy zone. This is around about the $350 range, okay? Maybe a stop loss, you want it behind this range, okay? And this is potentially where you want to get in, because especially if the volume wants to come down, guys, if we have a red candle very big like this going to the 62% levels with a large amount of volume, guys, stay cautious. I do not get into a trade when this happens, because you can see the bears having power to the downside. This could be a inverted V shape, okay, as in coming straight back down. But usually what happens is, yeah, you have the pump here with nice volume. There's nice volume here, as you can see, and the volume is going down. The volume is going down here while we are retracing, meaning that the bears don't have any steam. This is the moment you want to get in and get out at a retest here at a double top. Okay, so this is what we got for KSM, guys. Remember, KSM can be traded on Binance. It cannot be traded on Bybit. No, they haven't added KSM. Pretty surprising, because KSM is, you know, one of those mid-large cap cryptos. So I think they will be adding it soon, maybe on Phemex or Bybit. Anyway, KSM can be traded on Binance, guys. Down in the description, if you're not on Binance yet, you get 10% discount, okay? Over 10% discount on your fees trading futures. So this is what we got for KSM. I'm going to live this Fibonacci retracement, see if we did manage, you know, get... Hello, Jackie. Hello. Giancarlo says CQT breaking out. Chart it, please. Yeah, I've taken a look at CQT already, Giancarlo. I think I'm just lagging through the comment section. Yeah, we did take a look at this one. We did take a look. We are breaking resistance here from these lower highs. I think, you know, a potential, you know, bounce from this range and coming all the way back to the all-time highs is very possible for this crypto, okay? The volume is not insanely high. It's not insanely high, so I will stay a little bit cautious on this. Also, what I mentioned on this crypto, we want to break this lower high over here. Not this one, not the first one. We potentially want to get above this one, especially if this was the first attempt. Now, we've had the first attempt right over here on this crypto, right over there. This lower high. We want to break up here. As soon as we break this one, yeah, it is time for this crypto to make higher highs. Higher lows, sorry. Right, let's take a look. Hi, bro, please check STX. I've taken a look at STX already. It is about 10 minutes back from where I'm talking about now. So, yeah, STX is, yeah, I've taken a look at STX already. Could you have a look at Cake, please, says John. Yes, for sure. Let's take a look at Cake. We haven't taken a look at Cake yet on the live stream. Guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel and smash up that like button. Guys, 84 likes. Let's try and get to over 100 likes, okay, for the stream. That'll be absolutely awesome, okay? And yeah, you'll be helping me out to grow this channel. Right, what have we got here? Cake is now having a decent retracement. I think the most bearish case scenario for Cake would be coming down to the $20 range, retesting this huge support range. It's going to take a lot of power for the bears. I think this is a major buy zone, in my opinion, okay? Only because, we did, it's an incredible bullish setup here. We are technically almost met the target. There is some massive resistance around the $27 range, okay? This is where I have my orange box. We didn't manage to reach it, almost. I think if we do come back down to the $20, it's a buy zone. I think we're going to get a massive bounce from this area, because it's been such a strong resistance in the past and support, as you can see here on the chart. It just if we do come back down, I think a major buy zone all the way back up to the $27. This is my take for this crypto Cake. Hello Andy, please everyone should smash the like button. Yes, exactly guys, thank you very much. Make sure to smash up the like button. FTM please, I've taken a look at FTM already. I think I'm just lagging behind the comment section. What about Alice USDT? Let's take a look at Alice. What's up with Alice? Right. Alice is not looking that bad. We are just about getting a bounce from this range. Yeah, it's not looking too bad, this crypto actually. Why haven't I got here? I should be having... Right, this is where I've got it. Having my boxes here. Right, as you can see here, Alice, if I extend this a little bit, we did clearly see a massive resistance around the $18 range. As you can see, massive resistance around this range. We did successfully break out, okay, so this was a great buy zone. We broke out of it, broke out of the $18 resistance. We came perfectly, just going below the $18 at the 17.50 here to retest it as support. Guess what? That would have been a great trade, guys. This is why this is one of the techniques that I most support. Okay, one of the easiest ways to trade. You break a massive resistance, you break it with some nice volume. We did have that retracement already. This was a great moment to get in a trade. You get out here at a retest of the top. Okay, look, check out here how this trade would have been absolutely perfect. Now, would you get in here again? No. Why? Because it is a second retest of the support. This means that the bulls didn't manage to break the first breakout, and now the bears are having an attempt to break this support range. Okay, so this could be a double top scenario right over here. Now be cautious on this one. The long in opportunity was here and it is not here. Now what could happen? What could happen here? If we do break down, we are going to see some major support again here, also around about the $15.50. Okay, this is a major good zone. Also, we've been bouncing very nicely. There's resistance there. We've also got a couple of bounces as support here nicely. We actually did create a W pattern right over there. It would have been very difficult to trade this. Okay, we got a W right over there, breaking out, meeting the target. Now this might be an M pattern. Okay, if this breaks down, we could see a lot of volatility to the downside. We might see a severe leg down from this point. Yeah, next major box area would be the $12 here for Alice, $12 range. Okay, if we do start breaking these support levels, stay very cautious on this one, guys. Now note also that this could have been easily, you know, from this lower part. Okay, let me get Elliott wave theory, and this could easily have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves here on the 4-hourly chart, just so you can see a major correction could happen here. So we have from this lowest point here a 1 wave, the retracement, a 3rd wave being higher than the 1st wave always, and then the 4th wave coming down, consolidating and making a 5th wave all the way up here. And now we might be potentially seeing some kind of, you know, ABC correction maybe potentially something like that or something like this, you know. So stay very cautious on longing this at this moment. It's not looking incredibly well. We did fail here to break this high. So yeah, this is what I got for Alice. Hi Andy, check CQT, it's breaking out. Yeah, I've taken a look at that one already. Let's let me just go here through the comment section quickly again. Right, one second guys, I'm losing the last comment. BTC, most importantly, like always, getting a little dump now, BTC, but nothing to be cautious about just yet, guys. Today I've been talking about this potential scenario. Okay, we do see a kind of descending channel, descending rolling wedge, or whatever you want to call it. We do see a massive support here. So is this going to finally create a W pattern? This is the thing. Or are we going to fail in coming all the way up here to the $49,400 range, which would be the next resistance to break? You know, stay very, very cautious, guys. It's very difficult at this moment. It does look like that we are losing steam. Okay, so I might be exiting a lot of my positions that I've got, because yeah, it just doesn't look like that we are going to potentially see that leg up. Okay, especially if we break this support range. If we break the support at $46,500, I think it's going to be looking a little bit bearish here in the short term. A major correction down to the $44,000, even $42,000 is very, very likely, okay, in the next coming weeks. Now let's hope, you know, but this is not a game of hoping, it is a game of reacting to what direction we are going. We do clearly see there's a support range. If we do break with volume, guys, yeah, it is time to short this market in the short term eventually. So we'll be paying attention to this. I was expecting a last leg up before having the correction, but that might not happen. Let's just wait and see and react to the breakouts. I've taken a look at STX Costco already. I hope Ether keeps going up, says Michael Winland. Guys, yeah, expect some type of correction though, okay? At some point, this is going to be absolutely okay. Look where we are, look where we were, you know, a couple of months back. Everybody calling for $600 Ethereum and stuff like that down over here when we were at 1,700. Look at what we've done in just 2 months, okay? We've had an excellent run up. Expect, you know, a few weeks of downside. It's going to be absolutely fine. I'm expecting Ethereum hitting $3,600 range, which we are just $60 away from there now. But we could see a major dip first to the 3,300, 3,400 and then come back up. We might see a little bit of volatility dipping below the 3,300 because on the 1 hourly we can see that we're having this ascending wedge pattern. Now ascending wedge patterns are usually bearish, so there is a little bit of higher chance of this cut breaking down, guys, especially after this run up. Okay, the volume now is just, we are losing volume now. When you're going up, you want volume to go up. You don't want volume going down. Now, volume going down while you're going up means that, yeah, we are just getting exhausted. It's very likely we'll be getting a correction. Now, ascending wedges can break to the upside. We have seen this many times in the bull market, also for BTC. So this would be the measured move, okay, breaking the resistance here, potentially going to the $3,800 area. It's also very much a possibility if we break down, you know, the technical target is the bottom of the wedge, but we could get a bounce here around about the $3,300 range. So this is what we got here for Ethereum. Stay cautious, guys, now with longing, okay? We are getting a little bit overextended. BTC is not looking great, okay? It's not looking great at this moment. I did have some longs here. I hope I can close at a profit here most of my trades. Let's just have to wait and see what happens. So yeah, let's just wait and see what happens. Let's take a look here at some different cryptos. What can you say about AVAX? I think AVAX is a pretty decent project. but I think it has had a decent correction, right? This is the 1 hourly chart. The last thing that we had here for AVAX was this descending wedge meeting the target already, so this we can take this off. Right, this is not the best looking price action that we got. Failed at breaking all-time highs, which is at the $60. Okay, so we can clearly extend this all the way up here to the all-time highs. Double top on the macro perspective. I think AVAX will have its chance on getting a bounce from here. It will have its chance. All right, we do have a heavy support range. If we do lose this support, it is not going to be looking good for AVAX. Now, the best case here would have gotten in at a major. I think I did actually call this one on a live stream. We were just about calling this. We were getting a bounce here from this major resistance, turning it into support. That was an excellent trade. I remember someone thanking me very much for the analysis, and it played out beautifully here. Now, I mean, this is not looking good, guys. We are technically here on the 4 hourly. We are creating lower highs here already. Lower lows also. I mean, the thing is, can this be a descending wedge or a descending pennant? This could also be a descending wedge, so it's not looking too bad. But at the same time, it can be a head and shoulder. Price getting exhausted. Volume is going down, so I mean, there's more volume here to the upside. Volume is still going down while we're having the correction. We did have a spike here in red volume, that's not good news. But, you know, technically looking at the volume, it is still going down. So, yeah. If we do lose the $38 here for AVAX, guys, it's not going to be looking good. There's no major strong support below $38, all the way back down to the $20. So look how fast we came back up. We can come as fast all the way down. Yeah, I don't know why, but AVAX seems to go pretty fast in between $40 and $20. It just takes a couple of days to go down and up from the $40 to $20. So if we do break down this major support, I think, yeah, we might have a pretty severe leg down to this range. Anyway, this is we have set heavy support at $38. There's heavy support at $38. We are creating a bullish pennant. Volume is up here. Volume is going down now on the retracement. It's bullish, okay? This has a little higher possibility of breaking resistance. Okay, taking a look at the analysis here, the possible scenarios, this has a higher chance on retesting the high here of $60. Okay, this is what I got for AVAX. This is what it looks like. Guys, let me just take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, because Bitcoin dominance, last time I saw it yesterday, was almost at 42%. Yeah, 42%. So the Bitcoin dominance is getting absolutely drained, guys. We were expecting this. Remember this. This is what we had. We had the ascending wedge on the Bitcoin dominance, breaking the support range and finally breaking the last higher low right over here. We had this higher low over there saying, guys, if we break this higher low, it is game over here for the Bitcoin dominance. It's in a waterfall right now. So yeah, we can expect the Bitcoin dominance to be hitting the 40% levels in a matter of days, I think. So I think altcoins should be doing okay, unless Bitcoin does have a severe drop from these levels. Now, we are dropping very fast. If Bitcoin suddenly collapses from here, if Bitcoin suddenly collapses from here, then it's not going to be looking good for altcoins. What we want to see is Bitcoin going up, the Bitcoin dominance going down. If the Bitcoin dominance goes down while Bitcoin goes up, guys, that's what alt seasons want. Okay, we want Bitcoin going up or slightly sideways and up, Bitcoin and dominance going down. That is the best event that could happen for the altcoins. Yeah, so let's expect Bitcoin to see if we can get that major leg up to the 52k levels. That would be excellent for altcoins. It's going to be insane if that happens. Now, let's take a look at the rest of the cryptos. Let's take a look at Sol here for Alice. Sol. What's going on with Sol? Sol managed to get above the $120, almost 130. Absolutely insane. Did we technically hit? Yeah, $130 on Solana. Absolutely insane. I didn't trade this. Guys, if you're not a subscriber, you remember we were talking about this symmetrical triangle down over here just a few weeks back. Saying, guys, if we break this, yeah, I think, you know, we'll be almost retesting all-time highs at $60. And yeah, never mind $60. We're all the way up here at $120 we were yesterday. So yeah, let's take a look at the 4 hourly, see what can happen. This is what we mentioned about all-time highs. As soon as we break all-time highs, if we break with volume, guys, we want to get in some trades there. Start getting into retracements and start longing, okay? Because it is the most likely scenario that the price is gonna, in price discovery, we're gonna start pumping and pumping and pumping. Right, the bad thing about this right now is that we are seeing some pretty red volume here on the retracement. Let's take a look at the 1 hourly and check out the scenarios here for Solana. Right. What can we expect here for Solana? It seems like the $100 range is an area to watch. We did have a little bit of a consolidation here as resistance. We just touched it, wicked here, just at the $102, more or less there. So it is a level to pay attention. But yeah, we are seeing some red volume, okay? If look, check out this. This is a peak sign, okay? When you see a candle on the 1 hourly, for example, red, okay, it's turned red. So this means this is a clear peak sign. We do not know now if we are gonna, you know, come all the way up here, break it, guys. It is price discovery. We need a little bit more consolidation here for Solana. This is the thing, you know, when you break all-time highs, technical analysis, yeah, we do not have any price data. We do not have any resistance zones. We need more consolidation. We need a little bit of more movement here on the price action. I do not know if we're going to retest the high and break it. So let's just wait for a consolidation here for Solana. Polkadot, yeah, I've taken a look at DOT already. That was the first one I've taken a look at. Let's take a look at DOT. I think DOT is just getting into a nice consolidation, okay? DOT will be consolidating here from now, going into a kind of a pennant. This is the 1 hourly chart, okay? Yeah, DOT, I think DOT is going to do insanely well. We've seen Cardano, we've seen Solana, we've seen these blockchain projects, you know, breaking all-time high or getting very close to all-time high. All-time high here for Polkadot is all the way up here at $50. Look where we are right now, guys. This is when you want to stay cautious. This is when you want to start getting into some trades. I do see Polkadot reaching all-time highs very soon. It might take a month, but it might take a couple of weeks. It might take a couple of days. Now, this is the setup now. We are seeing a nice round bottom. This is what has happened to Cardano. It's happened to Solana. A lot of them having these double bottom scenarios like this, round formation. Then we come up all the way up here to all-time highs. Everybody's wondering, you know, hey, shall we long DOT or something like that? And we're already meeting all-time highs. Now, if we do successfully break $30, this was my major. This is where we got this blue horizontal line. This is my last retest before we shoot up to the $40-45 range. As you can see, just because of this is where we got rejected. Now, as soon as we break this level nicely with volume, I think this is gonna shoot up very, very fast. So make sure to pay attention to DOT here, looking pretty bullish. Link, yeah, Link. I think Link will be hitting $30 very soon, maybe in hours. Yeah, exactly. I mean, guys, this is looking pretty good. Chainlink is looking pretty good. I did mention this on today's video. Very likely to break resistance. I am in a very small trade position because I am getting a really cool video out, guys, very, very soon. Make sure to pay attention. Subscribe to the channel because I am making a really cool educative video on how you can make money with some patterns by trading. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. Very cool video coming out very, very soon, guys. This week potentially is out. how to make up to $100 every day by trading these patterns the video is going to be about. So yeah, very exciting video for the community, guys. Right. Andy, ¿cómo estás? Says Jose Juan. Porfa, ACH, porfa. Right. ACH. What is ACH? Is this Bitcoin Cash? Oh no. Alchemy Pay. Right. Let's take a look at this here for my man Jose Juan. ACH US dollar. It's just consolidating sideways here, Jose Juan. Just, yeah, not too much to talk about this. Check out this, because these end up, okay, going down and having a massive pump, just like what happened over here, and then finally pumping. But what you want to see when these pump, you want to see them start breaking the highs from the higher highs, the lower highs, sorry. So this was a lower high still right over here, creating lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. You have this pop up right over there, and then you have one more retesting the top, and then it is time for the races. This is why when I talk about descending wedges, you want to break the lowest high and then break the second lowest high from the retest. As soon as you break that one, it is off to the races. This is exactly what we are talking about right over here. If you take this like that, okay, and you break out here, you want to break out the breakout. This is to be a super, you know, conservative, and then you retest there. This is when you enter for the long run up, okay, from a breakout, the breakout, and there's where you get in. This is to confirm that you are actually having that major blast off, because there are a lot of fake outs, guys. A lot of people get stopped out. I get stopped out a lot, okay. I get stopped out also. Nobody does 100% of good trades, okay? We try and make 60, even 70% is insane. If you get 70% of trades right with a good risk management, or risking 1 to gain 2 or 3, then excellent. Then you are a profitable trader. Risk management is super important, guys. We want to try and risk the same or less than what we are going to gain, okay? Never risk more than what you potentially can win, sorry. Right, XRP, please. Long time since we've taken a look at XRP. Let's take a look at XRP. I'll be taking a look at XRP more often because there is a huge community on XRP. Right, 4-hourly chart for XRP. XRP was looking pretty good here. I remember talking about this. I said it's very possible. I think the most bearish case scenario for XRP would be coming down to the 90-cent levels. We did not come down there. We got a nice bounce here from the $1.05. Very much expected with my analysis on XRP, guys. If you're not a subscriber, you know that I was saying $1.05 should be holding nicely. We got so many touches here as resistance and support. After this successful breakout, we should be holding nicely. Now, we're not out of the woods just yet for XRP, but it is looking pretty good. I wouldn't say that this is a descending wedge. It is more of a descending triangle. So not out of the woods just yet for XRP. As soon as we clearly break this resistance, meeting the highs over here, this is going to be looking pretty good. You could arguably discuss that this is a descending triangle. We do have perfect 2 touches here as support, so expect this one to absolutely fly if we do break the resistance here. We could easily meet the $1.50 here for XRP. Very likely if we successfully break here the resistance. $1. If we do not break resistance and we get a rejection, this could be a fake out, meet the high here, come back down, but there is some volume coming in, guys. So yeah, this is looking pretty exciting for XRP. We are starting to see some volume coming in. This is kind of gearing up for a leg up. Most bearish case scenario will be coming back down to retest the $1 range, okay? Guys, remember XRP can be traded on Phemex. Phemex, you get the best bonus available, $2,500 by using my link in the description, up to $2,500 depending on what you deposit, okay? So yeah, this is the best bonus available in between Bybit and Phemex. I usually use more Bybit, but I have used Phemex before, but most of my funds are now on Bybit, so I'm trading on Bybit. But Phemex has got an insane bonus available. It is a little bit faster than Bybit on your executions, on your trades, but yeah, I mean, they're the same. They have almost the same cryptocurrencies also, so yeah, excellent platform. But the bonus now is better on Phemex if you want to take advantage of that for your trading. Right, let's take a look here at the comments section. Right, let me go through the comments. Sorry guys. What do you think about crypto coin on crypto.com? Yeah, Crow, I guess you're talking about, Michael. It's just it's not a stable coin, but it's not performing, you know, insanely well. I think it's just it might do super well. I just don't know the fundamentals of it. You know, I know Binance coin, you use it for transaction fees on the Binance exchange, but Crow on the crypto.com exchange, I think you don't use it for transactions or any of that. I have no idea. Maybe for staking, you can stake it. You will be getting high rewards on the crypto.com app, but it's not the best performer. Okay, it might do extremely well in the coming years, but yeah, I mean the chart is looking very, very boring. We just have run ups, run downs, run ups, run downs. You know, there's no clear direction here. It is trending up, don't get me wrong, it is trending up. We are creating higher lows, you know, higher highs technically, so it is kind of trending up, but very, very slowly, very, very slowly. It is not one of those cryptos where I think you're gonna make insane gains potentially. But yeah, the trend is up, so I think it should be doing well. Crypto.com is a very big company at this moment, so yeah, I think it will do well, in my opinion. But the chart for charting is just very, as you can see, it's very boring, up and down. So yeah. Right, right. I think Mark Dutch is helping me very much, so I am going to make him a moderator. Mark Dutch, you are a moderator now on the channel. Thank you very much for your support. Hi bro, please check STX. I've done STX already. Matic bro, yeah, I've taken a look at Matic already. VeChain already. I think this is people that are coming in. Link. Guys, I've taken a look already at these cryptos. I won't be taking a look at them again. I'm going to try and make a timestamp on this live stream, okay? Do you invest in NFTs? I do not invest in NFTs. I wanted to play some NFT gaming projects, but I haven't. I'm more of a trader, technical analysis, investor. I haven't got NFTs. I haven't got any time for NFTs. But yeah, it looks exciting, the NFT space. There's a lot of money to be done in that space. AVAX, please, says Digital Clave. I've done AVAX, okay. I'm going to take a look at it very, very quickly. And, you know, I know that, yeah, the $38 should be holding nicely here for AVAX. All right, we've come down all the way, retesting this resistance into support. If you ask me, yeah, this is bullish. We are creating a descending wedge. Volume is going down here on AVAX. Expect this resistance, take a look at the 4 hourly, to break up, okay? If we do break up from this resistance, expect the price of AVAX coming all the way back up to the $60 range, okay? Now, we should be holding here the $38. I mean, yeah, it's pretty clear. It is pretty clear. Massive run up, huge consolidation, descending wedge, massive support there at the $38. This is screaming for another leg up, guys. This is what I got for AVAX, okay? Hi bro, please check STX. I've taken a look at STX and Matic. Smash the like for Andy and his great TA. Thank you, Mark Dutch. Thank you very much. Thanks for handing down your knowledge, Andy. Used your TA style to absolute nail options pump a day ago. Jumped in at $31 and bailed at resistance 46. Used 4-hour charts for TA. Cheers again. Thank you, Curtis. I'm super glad that I see people in the community saying, you know, I've managed to nail some trades. I've managed to, you know, absolutely insane, guys. This makes me super happy. I try to make technical analysis super simple. I know we have a lot of traders, a lot of analysts, you know, having moving averages everywhere and, you know, different indicators. It's a long time since I haven't checked out the RSI. Actually, I check at it sometimes. It is fun to see bearish and bullish divergence, but the fundamentals, you know, is the volume and the price action. We want to check out resistance and support levels, and that is about it, guys. It is about it. And yeah, guys, yeah, this is how I'm nailing some of my trades, guys. As you can see here, Bitcoin's in the red on this one, but because the altcoins are absolutely exploding here. Best trader at this moment is Uniswap. I mean, yeah, guys, we need to try and get trading super simple. So anyway, let's scroll down here in the comment section and check out here BNB. Also, I'm in a trade on BNB, doing pretty well. Right, BNB US dollar here. Let's take a look at BNB, because BNB also created a descending kind of wedge here. Not the most beautiful. We can take a look at the 1 hourly. I think BNB is, guys, BNB will be hitting $600 in a week or two, in my opinion. We'll be definitely reaching the $500. Okay, $510 in the coming days. Yeah, just because of this descending wedge. Guys, make sure to smash up the like button. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Right, remember, if you do remember, in your old subscriber, this is a massive double bottom scenario right over here. No one is talking about. We're just taking a little bit of time to have that major leg up. Guys, there are so many NFT project, gaming project also on the Binance Smart Chain. This coin is going to do well. I'm not a huge supporter of Binance, okay, because it is, I'm here for decentralization, and Binance is not decentralized. But it's going to do well anyway. There is space for centralized cryptocurrency and exchanges and everything, but I'm not a huge supporter. I'm more of a technical analyst, and this is very much so very bullish. I think, you know, and Binance is going to do well. So many cryptos now moving on the Binance Smart Chain. And this is the gas for the Binance Smart Chain. So I think a major leg up to $600, just because this is a double bottom right over there. We'll have one bottom right over here, resistance here at 430, nice round one over here, retesting. Now it does look like that we are going to have, you know, a potential retest maybe at 430, but we have already broken the resistance. And yeah, I think there's not too much volume. This is the only bad thing about this, and this is on Binance. There's not too much volume. I think volume might be kicking in very soon. But yeah, this is just a consolidation. We are starting to see, you know, breakout here from these lower highs. If we do manage, yeah, we're just about breaking out from this lower high. So this is going to be looking, yeah, pretty bullish, guys. I think $510 here for BNB is inevitable at this point by the looks of things. So this is what I got for Binance Coin. Please take a look at Telos, great project. What is Telos? It does ring a bell. Telos 300 is very low cap. TLOS, it must be a mid cap, at least 100 million market capitalization maybe. Let's take a look at Telos here, TLS on the chart. I mean, I think you're asking take a look at the project, not the charts. There's no charts here on TradingView anyway. I will definitely check it out. Okay, let me just save this crypto there, and I'll be taking a look at this one for sure. Thank you, Arif, for this this project review. I'll take a look at it. Digital Clave, Andy, what do you think about AVAX? Yeah, I think AVAX is great. I've done analysis on AVAX twice today. I can't look at it again. I've got too many comments to pick up. So yeah, if you scroll back in the on the live stream, you will see AVAX. Hi Andy, can you check ERN? Thanks. Yeah, ERN. Let's take a look at ERN. Oh yeah, Eternity Chain. Yes, ERN, Eternity Chain. It's maybe doing pretty good. This is a great NFT project, if I'm not wrong. Well, it's not on the 4 hourly. We're just getting a massive retracement. We haven't got too much data here on Eternity. Do we have here on? yeah, there's not too much data on this one, but I know it's a pretty decent project. Yeah, not too much data. I think we're just consolidating here. Eternity chain is currently at $16. Yeah, it is a pretty decent project. I think a major bounce from this zone. This is not looking really good, but I think a major bounce will be coming. It does look like a kind of, you know, descending triangle, right? But because we are making lower highs here, if we do break the $15 range, okay, on Eternity, yeah, it's not going to be looking good. This is a major support level. If we do break below it, it's not going to be looking good. If we successfully break with volume, then not good. But a severe bounce is very much possible. This is it is ERN, an NFT project, if I'm not wrong. Eternity Chain is a community-oriented platform that produces limited edition authenticated NFTs and trading cards created by a favorite artist and endorsed by notable figures. So yeah, I mean, it should be, let's see the history here. I mean, it did go all the way to $67. I think, yeah, this is a nice round accumulation event. I think, you know, NFTs are booming, so why not this isn't doing good. I've seen many YouTubers also, one of the big YouTubers, talking very well about this project. It seems like that this might be it's going to start popping potentially. But yeah, I'm not too, I would just look onto the page and do your own research, guys, on this, on ERN. Just consolidating after this massive run up, we might be, you know, having a round bottoming coming up here. I think we're breaking this. I'm big long on Phantom. Yeah, Phantom is looking absolutely great, okay? Phantom is looking absolutely insane. Wow, look at Phantom breaking now the 90 cents level. Absolutely insane. Yeah, expect fireworks. I think, yeah, Phantom can be at $1.20, $1.30 by next week. Once we successfully break the all-time highs, guys, look at Solana. You know, look at Cardano. We went from $2.45, which was the all-time high, to almost $3 already. So expect some volatility to the upside. FTM is a great blockchain project. I wish I would have got a huge amount when it was at 2 cents, but I chose FSN, and FSN is performing very bad at this moment. Right. STX I've taken a look at already. Phantom forever year. I've been watching Phantom for over a year. They have made the most progress in the space. Also 809 million total value locked, and it's only $2 billion market cap. Best time to get in is now. Absolutely insane. Yeah, Phantom will be doing very good, I think. Have you looked at LPT live peer? No, I haven't. LPT live P 150 here on coin market cap, on CoinGecko, sorry. So LPT, let's take a look at this one. How is this one performing? We do not have too much data here. Do we have data on Coinbase? Yeah, not too much data, a lot of volatility. This is because it's a low mid cap coin. Yeah, no analysis on this just yet. We haven't got enough price data. It's just basically, yeah, a lot of volatility. We do not have any clear direction. The trend is up, okay, since July. So yeah, let's just wait to see what happens. But I don't have any data here on TradingView. So, hi Andy, please check West. Yeah, let's take West. Is this the Waves, right? Waves Enterprise. Yes. Let's take a look at West on Qcoin. Right. Wow, this is extremely volatile. I don't know why we've got these massive pumps and dumps here. Oh yeah, I think there was an event here in Spain, in Madrid, because of this on the 10th of July. And yeah, the guy that was actually talking about some cryptos, he was talking about West, he was talking about Waves Ducks, and also DAG Constellation. And yeah, this is why we have this massive pump and dump event here on West. So I think if we go to the daily chart, the trend is going up, but this is insane volatility at this, as you can see here. The trend is up, so it's looking okay. I think if it's on the Waves blockchain, I'm extremely bullish on Waves. Waves has been here for years. It's just not an extreme performer, but it's doing well. Yeah, I think this is going to be doing well. No major technical analysis with this volatility eventually. The trend is up, so it's looking pretty bullish. Hi bro, please explain Alice position for tonight. Yeah, hi Andy, did you look at ADA yet? Yes, I did, Sandor. It is one of the first ones, I think. You can check out, you scroll back on the video and you will see ADA. I did do some analysis on ADA. Right, the position for Alice. I mean, Alice, what's going on with Alice? Alice is just about to break down from this major support, okay? So stay cautious with this one, stay cautious. We did fail, okay, on this top there. We retested nicely here, we got up, that's fine. Now a second retest is when you want to be very, very cautious here. We might have a massive bounce from here because it is a strong support. So this is what I got for Alex. If we do break this $17 range, it is not going to be looking too good for Alice Francis. So yeah. Hi Andy, please check SLP coin. Yeah, I've taken a look at this one already. Hey Sensors, can we do analysis on XRP? We've done analysis on XRP already. So yeah, right, let's take a look here. Please take a look at Reef, Andy, please. Absolutely insane to go through all this comment now, guys. It is mission impossible. Let's take a look at Reef, US dollar. Guys, we need to check out Ethereum. We need to check out Bitcoin. Most importantly, always. But a lot of cryptos here in the comment section to take a look at. Reef, what we got for Reef? I know we have this potential resistance here on Reef that we want to break out. Okay, this is at about the 0.02 cents. As you can see here, this is where we want to break out for Reef. Very volatile. This crypto is insanely volatile. But yeah, I like this round formation, similar to other cryptos. You have lower lows and then bottoming out here with a higher low. So yeah, the structure is very bullish. I think major pumps will be coming for this crypto in the next coming days. Please look at IOTX, Andy. Yes, I'll be taking a look at this one eventually right away. Yeah, Phantom is doing great. Yeah, I've taken a look at Phantom already. This is what I got for IOTX. We have the Fibonacci Retracement. Now, supposedly, we should be getting a massive bounce from here. It is taking a little bit too long though, guys. When we take this long, okay, it's not looking good. We want a nice, we want a round formation and then here potentially start pumping. But 62% levels from this pump is holding, like a bad boy, as you can see here. So maybe the most bearish scenario would be retesting the 0.78 cents, or maybe slightly below at the 65% levels, which is another second test here, and this might be the extreme low. But IOTX is looking pretty good. We've had an insane run up, okay, here with some massive volume. Fibonacci from the low point to the top. We are at 62% levels. It is time potentially for this to come up. The volume is look at the volume from the run up. Look at the volume here on the retracement. It is super low. This is getting stable at this price level. So the most likely is that the people that bought over here are not going to sell right now. They are going to hold it. They are going to buy more at retracements. It is very likely that this will be pumping back up to retest the highs. It is the most likely scenario, guys, okay? Most bearish would be coming down to retest the 0.78 cents, 78%, sorry. Can you do a BAT analysis? A basic attention token. Great, Andy, says Mark Dirch. You're welcome, man. Thank you very much for the support. Right, BAT, US dollar. Let's take a look at BAT US dollar. Right. This is looking pretty good actually. Long time since I haven't taken a look at this crypto. Basic attention token. This is very bullish setup, guys. We have a bottom right over there, nice round accumulation. You know, we're just getting rejected here at this resistance point. As soon as BAT breaks the 90 cent here successfully, wow, it's going to be looking pretty good. It's, I think, a major leg up for BAT here as soon as we break resistance. This is a very bullish setup. Round formation, ready to start pumping. Right, Reef, please. Yeah, I've taken a look at Reef. BTT, Andy, let's take a look at BTT. Straight away. Right, this is BitTorrent coin. Yeah, I think there's a kind of a cup and handle formation right over here. We have a nice round formation. We have the price going to the downside, as you can see. This is the 4-hourly chart. So yeah, let's go to the 1-hourly here quickly. I think this is looking pretty bullish. We take a look at this, you know, as a potential descending wedge, and we are just about, you know, just about breaking out here nicely. There's not too much volume, but it is a kind of descending wedge, kind of wants to break out to the upside. We are creating, you know, we created lower low, high low there. Looking pretty good. I think this will be pumping to retest the high here very, very soon, which is at the 0.005 cents approximately. Not even that, just below this level. Looking pretty good. Right, let's take a look at Atom here for Exachbu. Atom. Right. Phew, Atom, a lot of fake out attempts here. A lot of fake out attempts here on Atom. We did have a kind of triple bottom. We did talk about this. We had this, you know, kind of double bottom here, and we did meet the target here from this already here. This perfectly met the target from this double bottom, breaking the resistance, as you can see from this point, just exactly touching here the $24 range, which was the target. Now we came all the way back down, retested support, and came back up. Now, yeah, we want to see a breakout basically from the top here. We did see a lot of volume, so I'm pretty surprised that we did not have another run up. Kind of broke up the highs here, but this wasn't a successful break. We want to see a nice leg up, just like we've seen here. Then we want to get into a nice heavy retracement. I wouldn't say it's a double top. Yeah, so we want to break successfully here at this top over here, that we do have some nice volume. So I'm just going to get this box over here. So this is what, to keep it pretty simple. Look at the huge amount of volume that we have here on the 1 hourly. From this leg up, from this candle, huge amount of volume. So if we do break out nicely here with volume, a retest at the top here of this is going to be very, very likely that it is going to hold. So yeah, a potential trade from that. It is looking quite bullish if you ask me. I'm not sure if we are going to have a heavier retracement. It looks like that this attempt failed to break the high, so maybe a retracement before we break out. But yeah, it's not looking too bad. Very close here to the high of the $32. Not looking too bad. Yeah, just Atom. Reef, also done Reef. Also, thanks for XRP just now. Exage Booth, you're welcome. Carver, let's take a look at Carver. Carver was breaking all-time highs, if I'm not wrong, or just about breaking the all-time highs. Yeah, not a clear breakout here on Carver. All-time highs was at $8. We did reach the $9, but it hasn't been. It's been very, very choppy here. Not too much volume. There has been volume here on the first attempt here on the all-time high, but when we actually broke out from it, yeah, no volume, guys. Here, be very, very cautious. Look at the attempt of the breakout here. No volume at all. So yeah, As soon as we break the highs here of $9, this is going to be looking pretty good. But till then, this is a fake out. These are fake outs. We want to see a successful breakout with some nice volume. Something like here. Something like this. As soon as we see this, then yeah, we can get into a trade at the retracement. But very, very choppy action here for Carver at this moment. Do you know Dent? Can you do a quick analysis? A massive pump is coming, I think. Dent, yeah, I remember Dent. I've been taking a look at Dent when it was fractions of a penny. I didn't get into it because you cannot get into all of them, can you? Let's take a look at Dent. Yeah, this is what I got for Dent. No, yeah, I think we've no major analysis here. It seems like that this we're just about holding here from this support range. Yeah, very much so. It does look like that we are going to have an explosive break to the upside because we're just about holding here this resistance, this support, sorry. It's been heavy support in the past. We've had an excellent run up with some nice volume, okay? This is very much screaming for a leg to the upside. Okay, let's see this. It is a kind of a descending wedge formation, this, all right? This is bullish eventually. We are getting supported. This is the 0.005 cents level. Support. We had an excellent run up, as you can see here, with some nice volume. Consolidation, no volume at all. Probabilities of this breaking up is at least over 60%, okay? 60% that this will have another run up here, retesting the highs here. This is what I got for Dent. If this support level doesn't hold and we break down, it's not going to be good news for Dent. In the short term, we might be coming to lower levels here. This major support is going to turn into heavy resistance in the short term. Can you go over Link? Yeah, I mean, I will take a look at Link because it's my favorite one. Link is doing pretty good, breaking out nicely here from this descending wedge. A very early breakout. I think $30 for Link is very possible in a matter of hours, okay? I see Chainlink at $30 in hours, okay? This is what I've got for Chainlink. It's looking bullish, looking pretty bullish. Carver, yeah, I've taken a look at Carver already. RSR, let's take a look at RSR. What's going on with RSR? I haven't taken a look at this for a long time. RSR did break out major resistance, holding by a thread at this moment. Volume coming in. I think this is going to be there's going to be an explosive breakout for RSR right now. We're holding by a thread here by this support range. Remember the volatility here. I have boxes like this, but remember there is a lot of volatility in crypto. So yeah, I mean, going below this level is very, very possible. But it looks like here on the 4-hourly we are forming also a descending wedge. These cryptos are looking very, very bullish. They are looking very, very bullish. We are seeing some red volume here on the 4-hourly. Let's take a look at the 1-hourly. Yeah, there's pretty much some green volume. Yeah, this is looking very bullish, okay? RSR, if you ask me, leg up, okay, to the 6 cents is very, very likely. Currently at 0.047 cents. A leg up to 6 cents is very, very likely. I think this major orange box here is going to hold nicely. We're going to have that leg up, retesting here, and potentially go high in the coming weeks. Yeah, all right, this is a very bullish setup, breaking major resistance. This is what I got for RSR. RSR can be traded on Binance, okay, guys? Make sure to check out the link in the description if you're not logged in Binance yet. You get 10% of discount on fees by trading on Binance, okay? Also, I'm not sure if RSR is on Phemex. I don't think so. But anyway, Phemex has got the best bonus available going on right now. 2,500, okay, up to 2,500 by using my link in the description. It is almost the same as Bybit, okay. They both have a huge amount of liquidity. So yeah, I personally trade on Bybit at this moment, but I have traded on Phemex. It is absolutely great. It is faster than Bybit on your executions, and yeah, it's basically the same. They're both very good trading platforms, but the best bonus available is now on Phemex, 2,500. Bybit, I think, has got $1,610 by using my link in the description, okay. So check that out also. Bybit. Right, we have Bitcoin having a little bit of a drop right now. Is Ethereum breaking down or not? Yeah, this is not looking too good, guys. When we have Ethereum having so many candles here on like this, it is not the best looking chart. We are just about potentially gonna break the support level, guys. So stay cautious on this. We might see a drop here on Ethereum shortly, okay? Stay cautious on this, guys. We do have a kind of an ascending wedge here. BTC having a drop at this moment. Messi creó un Eternity. Yeah, Messi did an NFT with Eternity. So yeah, Eternity I think is a pretty good blockchain. NFT project for sure. That is for sure. So Ethereum here holding by a thread by the support. Are we going to finally have a massive pump, or are we going to dump from here, guys? This is the question. We are seeing we did see some bearish divergence here on the 15-minute chart. Not too reliable. I prefer looking at the 1 hourly at least for divergence. Right, Andy, what about Engine Coin? Yeah, let's take a look at Engine Coin straight away. Let's take a look at Engine Coin. Engine Coin is looking pretty good. We did manage to get above the $2. Now, we did see this double bottom scenario for Engine right over there. The target was the $2. That met the target very, very nicely. So let's get this out of the way. Yeah, I think Engine is gearing up for another next major leg up. Okay, I do see this other double bottom scenario right over here. Okay, we've got 3 touches, but this is a Adam and Eve scenario where we have a spike here and a nice round bottom. Now we might see a lot of volatility here in the immediate short term, but yeah, there's we need a clear breakout from this zone, because yeah, there's no volume at all. There was an attempt here, but this wasn't a clear breakout. We want volume like this, but with some nice price action. We want a nice heavy candle. Now the $2 is a heavy support range. It has been holding very nicely in the past here, as you can see. So this might be holding nicely at this moment. We want to see more price action. Be careful by longing this. I would long this if we successfully break out here to higher levels with some nice volume. Okay, there's hardly any volume, a lot of choppiness here. So stay cautious with this one at this moment. Dent, mate, massive pump coming. Yeah, Dent is looking pretty good, okay? Yeah, I've taken a look at Dent. Dent is looking pretty good. I've taken a look at Dent already, all right? We have a kind of a descending wedge, a lot of volume to the upside. A major support to hold, okay? Dent is looking pretty good. It does look good, yeah. Andy, every altcoin is forming a cup and handle. Big trades coming. Yeah, exactly. I think so. A lot of altcoins are popping already. A lot of altcoins are popping. So now the thing is Bitcoin. We need to pay attention to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Look at this. This is just about to have a dump. Okay, guys. Stay cautious now. I feel like closing some of my trades. I'll have very nice profitable trades. I don't want to see them at break even again. I was pretty confident on Link going to $30. But yeah, be very cautious at this moment. If we do see a dump, you might be getting a better entry on some altcoins, okay? This is just to pay attention, okay, guys? Stay cautious. If we start losing support here for Ethereum, yeah, watch out. We can see some altcoins start to drop pretty fast. Yeah, Bitcoin here losing steam, it looks like. I was hoping for Bitcoin to have a pump, but we're just getting price exhausted. Let's wait and see. Still, it's going to be a very decisive moment in between today and tomorrow to see if we are going to see cryptos be bleeding, because this can happen in hours, guys. In a matter of hours, we might be seeing Bitcoin, altcoins, Ethereum coming back down to the 3,300, 3,400 range, okay? This is just holding by a thread at this moment, so stay very, very cautious, guys. Have you looked at Ethereum yet? Yeah, but this is what we got for Ethereum. This is what we got for Ethereum, okay? Holding by a thread. Now, let's hope that we are going to have a fake out and have a massive blast off. We want to see some more altcoins in the next coming days exploding. I want to get some really good profits. I don't want to close my trades at break even. Andy, check TRB chart, please. Right, TRB. TRB, what is this? What is TRB? Oh, Teller, okay. Yeah, I'm a Chainlink supporter, so watch out. Watch out for these Oracle solutions. They will be doing okay. A lot of them will be doing okay. Yeah, the same as a lot of them. We are starting to see a lot of volume here coming in on Teller. It does, I wouldn't say it's a cup and handle, but I do think breaking here successfully the resistance of $60 for Teller. A lot of volatility on these low mid cap coins. There is a major resistance zone there. I think, yeah, we're basically going to have to, I think, yeah, that's the next price action. I think, you know, we might be coming lower here for Teller. Don't get me wrong. We might be coming down to the $43 range right over here where we do have a major resistance, turning into support again before having a major leg up, okay? Technically, this is looking pretty bullish. We are already creating lower highs, higher lows. So yeah, this is looking pretty good. I think we'll be sooner rather than later, we are gonna be popping here for Teller. The setup is looking pretty good. We are seeing green volume coming in right now. Is it all green? Is it red? Yeah, a lot of volume coming in at this moment. We do see some red volume. We'd have to check out the 30-minute chart. Yeah, a lot of green volume here. A lot of volume coming in. This is probably gearing up for a leg up. Sir, I bought one BTC at $47,000. Rate, shall I hold or shall I book a loss? You bought one BTC. Right, I mean, if you bought one Bitcoin, I guess it's for the long run. If you are here for short-term profits, then it's very hard to say. I think BTC will be dropping below these levels, okay, where we're currently at. I do see Bitcoin going down to 44, 42K. Don't sell the Bitcoin expecting that we will get that drop and buy at lower levels. I think that we might have another leg up to the 51K levels before we hit the 44, 42K range. Okay, this is only my thoughts, my analysis. It is fine buying at these levels, okay, if you ask me. If you are here for the long run, it is absolutely fine buying at these levels, okay? In my opinion, Bitcoin will be worth millions in the future, right? Well, definitely over $100,000 in the next coming months potentially. So Andy, what do you think about XRP? I think XRP is not my favorite crypto. XRP will be doing well though eventually. XRP has a huge army. I've been taking a look at XRP already today. I see this descending triangle, okay, descending triangle, which is bearish, but we do have an insane support at $1.05. And it does look like we'll be breaking resistance and potentially hitting $1.50 in the coming weeks here for XRP. I mean, we are above a critical resistance zone that is turning into heavy support. This is just screaming for a leg up, guys. It is what it is. It is screaming for a leg up. This is when we are this is a consolidation, just waiting for this. And this is when everybody's going to come extremely bullish. Shall we long? Shall we? No. We want to anticipate the long position, okay? I will be putting an insane long if we successfully break this resistance, okay, from this descending triangle. This is very much consolidation for a leg up, guys. What about Dash? A long time since I haven't taken a look at Dash. Let's take a look at Litecoin. I did have Litecoin in my portfolio once. Litecoin not looking too bad. We did break out from this uptrend, okay, from these higher lows. We broke down, retested it as resistance, and yeah, not too much volume here on the breakdown. So maybe this has clearly been a fake out, guys. And remember, when we break trends or patterns, remember what I say, there are a lot of fake outs. This doesn't mean that we are going to come down. We have higher low there, higher low there, higher low there. Now, when we break down the trend, you want to break down the last higher low, which is this one over here. Where did we bounce? At this exact higher low. This means that this potentially can be a fake out. We may be creating a kind of a W pattern here, so which is bullish. So yeah, expect this to potentially explode in the coming days. There is a heavy resistance zone on Litecoin here at $1.90. I'm not sure if we are going to successfully break out from this range. Maybe yes, maybe no. Let's wait and see. It is still looking pretty bullish. Higher lows every single time. Higher lows. So yeah, if we do break $1.90, yeah, expect a nice leg up to $2.20, which is a major resistance here for Litecoin. Okay, if we do break this support level at about $160, it's not going to be looking good for Litecoin. It's going to be a little bit of volatility maybe. I'm not sure if we will have a leg down here. Let's just wait and see. For the moment, it's looking okay. Yeah, can you take a look at Theta? Yeah, of course. Chainlink, I've taken a look at Chainlink already. Guys, make sure to smash up the like button if you haven't done yet. That is for sure. Yeah, I've taken a look at Chainlink a couple of times already on the stream. It seems like you've just come in, but yeah, I've taken a look at Chainlink a couple of times. Let's take a look at Dash here quickly, and we'll also be taking a look at Theta Network. Dash broke out from this resistance, which is on Binance chart, which is very, very weird because it is a major resistance point, has been major support and resistance right over here. So why didn't it bounce here as support, you may ask? Okay, and this is on Binance. This is, I think, most of the liquidity for Dash. Yeah, second one is Binance. Kraken being first, Coinbase, they're high liquidity ones. When we broke out this resistance, we had no volume at all. This was a clear fake out, okay? This was a clear fake out. The price action is great, but the volume is not there. From a breakout, we want to see a volume like this. Look at this amount of volume. This is what we want to see. Maybe this one here, this red candle. When we broke out this major resistance point, we had no volume at all, guys. This is when we want to stay cautious because, yeah, if we break out with no volume, yeah, it doesn't matter. It's very likely to be a fake out. This is what happened for Dash, but maybe we are going to have another attempt now and break with volume. Then this is going to be, I'm going to be pretty confident that the support line is going to hold nicely. Okay. So yeah, not looking too bad. It's very similar structure to a lot of the altcoins. Very, very likely that this will do well in the next coming weeks, in my opinion. Let's take a look at Theta. Dash can be traded on Phemex, actually, I think. Let's take a look at here what we got on Phemex, because it can't be traded on Bybit. No, it cannot be traded on Phemex. Can Theta be traded on Phemex? No. I can't see Theta here. I know Theta can be traded on Bybit now. They've just added Theta Network. I'm actually going to potentially place a long position on Theta. Let's take a look at Theta first, okay? And then we'll be taking a look at it on Bybit. Yeah, Theta is looking extremely good, okay, guys? The lower we go, the more bullish I am going to get on Theta. If we come and retest the $6, $5.80, I will be long in Theta because there's a massive descending wedge that we have broken a resistance point. We've broken out from lower high structure, okay? Now we're just getting around consolidation, and this is ready for fireworks, okay? I'm extremely long on Theta Network. Now, if we do get all the way down here to $6, we might see a little bit of volatility. Be careful if you're trading this because there's a lot of wicks, okay, as you can see here on Theta. But if we do come down, I think it is a great place to play some longs. You know, I do see Theta coming back to retest the $14, $15, which is the all-time high here. It is a descending wedge formation. We are creating, you know, higher lows at this point. So it's looking pretty good for Theta, guys. Theta can be traded on Bybit. Okay, let's take a look here. And they've just added Theta Network. They've added Theta, they've added Tron, Compound, and Theta can be traded on Bybit. Remember, you get that up to $1,610 by using my link in the description for Bybit. And Phemex though has got the best bonus now, $2,500 worth of bonus by using my link in the description, up to $2,500. Okay. Guys, this is going to be it for this episode. Okay, guys, I'll be taking a look. I'll be doing a live stream tomorrow. Let's take a look at Uni, the last one. Okay, guys, Uniswap. I'm in an insane trade on Uniswap on Bybit. Over $500 in a profit right now. I did manage to get in very, very good at this trade at this start of the pump. So what do I think? I think Uni is going to do very, very well. Let's take a look at Uni here. Yeah, I think the setup here for Uniswap is insane because we are basically hitting this resistance at $30 right over there. We have met the target, so I should be taking at least half of my profits. I am going to, when I close the stream, I'll be taking half of my profits, I think, from this descending wedge breakout here on the resistance, because we basically met the target. So the time is ticking now. We might have a huge retracement here, but I do see, you know, us breaking this major resistance at $30 as soon as Unibright breaks this resistance. I think, yeah, sky is the limit. Not sky is the limit, but we are going to see a massive run up, potentially to all-time highs after breaking this major resistance of $30. Pamela, thank you. Pamela, I saw you at I follow Elio Trades. I follow Elio Trades a lot for he's got great content, and I saw you won a Ledger Nano S on Elliot Trades channel. So congratulations on you, and if you didn't check it out, I'm telling you right here, confirm me that you spoke to him to get that Ledger Nano, Pamela, in the comment section. I saw it at the end of the streams, you winning a Ledger Nano S on Elliot Trades channel. Right, let's take a look at H-bar here for the last one, guys. H-bar, yes, Thinta, H-bar for you. Very, very choppy, insanely choppy price chart. Very difficult, but I mean, it is looking pretty good. I cannot do analysis on this. Look at the insanity there is on this chart. It looks like one of those heartbeats chart from the hospital. How can you do an analysis on that? It is absolutely insane. Look at it. I can't do any analysis on this. I've been trying to work out here. The good thing is that we are technically creating higher lows here. Okay, lower lows, and then technically creating higher lows right over there. So it is looking pretty bullish, but it is, yeah, it's super difficult to chart this this cryptocurrency. The volatility on it is absolutely insane. Right, Edward, Tom, I'll be promoting you. Andy, thanks again. Good live chat. Thank you very much. I try and look at every single comment, guys. I try to. Great stream again, Andy. Now grab a cold beer. Yes, and have look at your own trades right now. Yeah, exactly. I've got them open. We're just about to have a dip here, but I wouldn't, we might be pumping. Just be very, very cautious, guys. We have Ethereum here kind of holding by a thread. We have seen ascending wedges break to the upside also. So I'm just going to take some profits on my trade, lock them, get into protect my stop loss, because, yeah, guys, it is time, I think. Thank you very much, guys, for joining the live stream. I will see you tomorrow. I'll be doing a live stream tomorrow, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, the notification bell. Remember, you got the best bonuses on exchanges. Okay, be careful with leverage trading. It is absolutely risky, especially for people that are new. We've got the best bonuses available down below. Okay, also check out the Bitcoin Sensors website, the latest news and technical analysis here. Totally free information. El Salvador moves forward with its Bitcoin plans. This is the latest news that we got here, posted 11 minutes ago. Check it out, guys. The link is in the description. Totally free information. If you haven't joined the Telegram group, we've got an alerts channel. We'll be posting the latest news, latest technical analysis, my videos for the community. Make sure to check it out down below on the social medias. We have Instagram, also TikTok. So make sure to check all the socials, guys. Instagram, Telegram, the alerts channel, and also the Telegram community. I'm also joining the Telegram once in a while, and I'll be responding some of your questions. If you tag me, okay, on a question, then I will try and come and answer as soon as I can, okay? Thank you very much, guys. I will see you tomorrow. I'll be doing my video update. I'll be doing my live stream. I'm also on Telegram. Check out Telegram down below. Join in, guys. Thank you very much for joining in, and I'll see you in the next one.